Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how to find squares from 75 to 100. Okay, in last video we learned how to find squares from 51 to 75. Okay, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಓಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ಕಂಪೇರ್ this square with 50. Okay, compare 76 with 50. It is 26 more. Okay, 26 square is 676. Next step, write 26 at the end. Next step is 25. This add 26 more value and carries this. Okay, this is carry, add this carry here. Okay, how much it will become? 57 means 5776 is the answer of 76 into 76. Next to 77 square, compare with 50, it is 27 more. Okay, what is that? 27 square 729. Okay, write to 29 at the end. Next step is 25. This is compulsory. Next is how much more? 27 more. Next to carry. Okay, 7 is carry here. Okay, plus 7. If we add, it will become 59. Okay, 5929 is the answer of 77 square. Next to 78. Okay, how to calculate 78 square? First step 50 compare ಮಾಡಿ, it is 28 more. Okay, 28 square is 784. Next step is write 84 at the end. 25, this is compulsory for all. Next is 28 more, this is 28 carries 7, this is 7. If you add, it will become 60. Okay, 6084 is the answer of 78 square. Next to 79 square, how to calculate 79 square? Again first compare with 50, it is 29 more. Okay, 29 square is 841. Okay, ಇವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 841. next 41. next step is 25 compulsory, this is 29, this is 8. if we add, it will become 26 means 6241 is the answer of 79 square. Okay, next 80 into 80 6400. this is simple. Next is 81 square. Okay, how to calculate 81 square? It is how much more? 31 more. What is 31 square? 30 square is 900. 31 square is 961 means 31 square equals to 961. Next step is 61. What is our next step? 25 compulsory, added 31 more, 31. how much carry? 9 carry. Okay, it is 15 6 means 6561 is the answer of 81 square. Next, how to calculate 85 into 85? Okay, first step is compare with 50, it is 35 more. Now what is the square of 35? it is 1225. okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 1225 is the square of 35 square. next 25 plus 25 added compulsory, this is 35, this is carry 12, this is carry 1 3 4 5 6 7 means 7225 is the answer of 85 into 85. See next, how to calculate 89 square. Okay, see 89 square ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, compare with 50. How much it is? 39 more. What is the value of 39 square? This is important, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. 15 21. Okay, 21 plus 25 compulsory added plus 39 plus 15 is the carry. Okay, it will become 7921. Okay, is the answer of 89 into 89. Next, this is simple, 1800, sorry 8100. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ 9 to 1 to 100. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸು ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ 91 to 99 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟು 91 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. See how to find 91 square. Okay, here don't compare with 50, here compare this value with 100. Okay, first compare this value with 100. How much it is less or more? See, compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is 9 less. Okay, it is 9 less. Do 9 square, that is 81. Okay, 81. Next step is deduct this 9 from 91. Okay, deduct this 9 from 91, it will become 82. Means 8221 is the answer of 91 square. Next to 92 square. First compare with 100. Okay, it is how much less? 8 less. Okay, 8 square is 64. Next step is 92 minus this 8. Okay, it will become 84. Means 8464 is the answer of 92 square. Next to 93 square. Compare first with 100. It is how much? 7 less. Do 7 square. 7 square is 49. Next step is 93 minus 7. Okay, it will become 8649. Okay, 8649 is the answer of 93 square. Next to 94, compare with 100, it is 6 less. 6 square is 36. Next step is deduct this 6 from 96, means 94 minus 6. Okay, it is 88. 8836 is the answer of 94 square. Next to 95 square. Again compare to 100, it is 5 less. Do 5 square, that is 25. Next step is 95 minus this minus 5. This is 9025 is the answer of 95 square. Next is 96. First to compare with 100. Okay, it is how much? 4 less. Okay, do 4 square, that is 16. Next step is deduct this minus 4 from 96, means 6 minus 4 2, means 9216. Next to 97 square. Again compare with 100. It is how much less? 3 less. Do 3 square, means 9, but we are doing square, right? 0 9. Again 97 minus 3, it is 94. 9409 is the answer. Next 98 square. Compare with 100. It is how much? 2 less. 2 square is 0 4. Okay, 98 this minus 2, it is 9604. Next, okay, 98 over 99. Okay, how to calculate 99 square? First to compare with 100, it is how much less? 1 less. Do 1 square, that is right 0 1. 99 this minus 1, minus it will become 9801. Okay, 9801 is the answer of 99 square. Okay, 100 square, you know it is simple. Okay friends, in this video we learned how to find square from 75 to 100. Okay, it is very useful for your government competitive exam. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Okay, thank you.